Being such a large state, the only way to see West Australia on the ground is to drive. We booked this Nissan Pulsar hatch through DriveAway and picked it up at Perth Airport. It was an impressive car. The boot stored 2 large suitcases and all our hand luggage. It was comfortable, responsive, economical, quiet. It ticked every box. The state has excellent roads. They are long and straight, wide, well surfaced, and on the open road the speed limit is 110 k's. So you can travel long distances quickly and easily with the minimum of fatigue. Our coastal journey began with a dolphin cruise in Mandurah to the south of Perth. Returning to Perth, we joined the Indian Ocean Drive and headed north. Our first stop was the Pinnacles Desert in the Nambung National Park. Driving around these hauntingly strange limestone formations is one of the must-see experiences of visiting Western Australia. We were headed for Mandurah, but made sure we dropped in and saw some of the little coastal villages like Lehman on the way. Well worth visiting. Port Denison and Mandurah are really twin towns. They're only 5 kilometres apart. But if you have time, spend a couple of days there and just wander. It's a crayfishing centre. You'll see lots of activity there. It's great for fishing and just great for wandering. We leave Mandurah and head through Geraldton. The first thing you notice as you come into town is the very lovely St. Francis Xavier Cathedral. The place that moved us the most was the memorial to the sinking of the HMAS Sydney by the German raider Cormoran in 1941, in which all 645 crew perished at sea. Geraldton's other famous shipwreck is that of the Batavia. If possible, charter a flight over the Abrolhos Islands to East Wallaby Island to familiarise yourself with this very dark chapter of Australian history. By the time we had arrived at Kalbarri, we were just over halfway on our journey. It's well worth spending time in Kalbarri. We spent a couple of days here and thoroughly enjoyed looking at the beautiful surrounds. That ribbon of a road you can see below is Journey's End at Denham and Shark Bay. We have travelled over 1,000 kilometres from Mandurah, and from here we travel the final few kilometres to the Monkey Mia Resort. Every year thousands of people visit this resort to feed the dolphins and observe them in their natural habitat. It's a fascinating part of Australia with so much to see and do. It's been a wonderful few days on the road, but now we must turn around and drive 850 kilometres back to Perth.